Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And you guessed it, I am back again for another line dance. How y'all guys doing? Before I teach y'all this line dance, can I give a shout out to all of those individuals that always leave a comment? When I tell you every time I upload a video, y'all guys are right there. You let me know that you learned it already. Thank you for the instructional. I want to thank you so much for your support. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe, leave me a thumb up, and leave me a comment. So, this next line dance I'm going to teach you, instructors, is an easy peasy. It's a perfect line dance for those who are new coming into your class. You can just call it out and keep your class moving. It's called Let's Do It Again. Love the music. And it is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, if you are in the New Orleans area and if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, at the end, can we dance together? I'm going to post the demo right here with the music. Let's dance together. And come on, guys, let's go. So I'm going to turn my back to you. And I'm going to start with my weight on my right. Normally the weight is on the left, but this time it's going to be on the right. I'm going to do tap 4 times on the left. Then I'm going to do a ball chain and tap 4 times on the right. And this is how it looks. Let me turn this way because there's a glare here. Okay, so let's face in this direction here. My weight is on the right and I tap 1, 2, 3, 4, ball change, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I tap to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice I did and 1, which is a ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's 4 on the left and 4 on the right. My heel is out, my weight is on the left, and I'm going to tap out on the right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Then I'm going to do 4 to the front. Right, left, right, left. So notice everything is 4, okay? Tap on the left for 4, tap on the right for 4, tap up on the side for 4, and then kick forward for 4. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, from here, we're going to shuffle up and do a half turn. Right, left, right, step, pivot, half turn with the left shoulder going forward, and my left heel is up. And I'm going to shuffle left. Left, right, left, step, pivot, half. Let's do that again. We'll move over a little bit. Shuffle right, right, left, right, step, pivot, half turn, step left, left, right, step, right, half turn. So let's add that. So tapping with the weight on the right, on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8, side 1, 2, 3, 4, front 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle. 1 and 2, pivot. 3, 4, left, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So that you're basically coming back to the same wall. Right, step, left shoulder forward, half turn. Keep your footwork there and then just come forward on that left. Left, step, right shoulder forward and half turn. Okay, so let's add that, put that together again. 5, 6, from the top. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, side 1, 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. This is how we're going to get to the next wall. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And then you got to Switch your weight to the right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, tap left. So on 7, you switch your weight to the right, and on 8, you tap on the left. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And you start all over again. So let's start from the top, from this wall. 5, 6, 7 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8, side 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle. 1 and 2 step, pivot, half turn, left, 5 and 6 steps. Pivot, half turn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, wait on 7, and then tap on 8. That is the dance. The dance move counterclockwise. It's a 4-wall dance. That's the dance structure. It's 32 count. So I started on this wall right here. When I finished, I was on this wall. So you're going to be at all 4 walls, and the dance move counterclockwise. It's a 32 count. Let's do that again from here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side 1, 2, 3, 4, forward 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, left 5 and 6, 7, 8, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8 and 1. Okay, so that's a 32 count. The name of that dance is Let's Do It Again. You're gonna love the music. Make sure you check out the demo. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Give me a thumbs up. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.